too busy. You're too blood clot like come see me. Cause you know me now I watch the TV.
Thank you. You guys. Did I scare you? Little sunflower for my sunflower. For me? Good afternoon to the good body girl and the good body girl only. Welcome back to another week. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I know we started pretty late this week. It is now Tuesday. Earlier today we went to the dermatologist's office to get the keloid on my back steroids injected. I've been getting them every month for the past 2 months. After that we popped over to my favorite little spot to get some photos, and of course we did that. Pictures came out so freaking fire. This is a nice spot, right? Yeah. Let's get some more because it looks so pretty. Ooh. They'll be going up, if not tomorrow, maybe Thursday. Pictures are coming to you on the gram, so if you haven't followed me there yet, please go ahead and check me out. Never had none.
I don't usually do this, but can I sing to you? Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers for the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, you do what you do. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. Instantly under showers, storming for a couple hours. Only been in the shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours like nobody. And when I say nobody, I mean nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You just don't hold me once they hit. Felt like giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. Then I met you. When I met you, I knew this was it. I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray for it on my knees every night for some hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. What's yours is mine and ours, and yours mine and ours. I can sit and talk to you for hours.
Okay guys, finished cooking, and now I'm about to do a little taste test for you guys. One meal for the day, and so we have our watermelon and arugula salad. It's only 3 ingredients: arugula, watermelon, and balsamic vinaigrette, but I decided to go with the balsamic glaze because I feel like the balsamic glaze adds a little bit more sweetness, and it's a little more extra something. So so refreshing, so good. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Anyways, I'm gonna go stuff my fish, and I'll see you when I see you guys. I gave the room a quick little shifferoo. I don't know what to call it. I hated the fact that the bed was so tucked to the corner of the bedroom. So I pulled it over, and then I had these two nightstands in the living room as like a center console type situation. Like it has a bunch of drawers. They were given to us when we just got the apartment, and I wasn't gonna turn out anything free, plus they were cute. But then I was in here earlier and I was like, I just feel like I hate the room feeling so like stuffed. I want to be able to walk around the bed. And my idea initially was that the bed wouldn't be able to center the wall, and then I wouldn't be able to open that closet. Because Melissa's closet door swings out. So I was kind of afraid that it wouldn't work. But we did it and it worked out. And look how just beautiful and big, like I can run around the room now, like, she's a mad woman. The only thing that this room now needs is the next lamp that should go on that nightstand, Melissa's nightstand. The thing is, that lamp came in a pair. That lamp actually came in a pair, and because the room at the time how we had the bed, it could only fit one nightstand on Melissa's side. I brought the other lamp to the house. So we're going up to the house this weekend to do some work in the backyard. So I'm gonna bring it down and put it right over there, and it's gonna be perfect. Right now Melissa has her humidifier on her side of the bed, and yeah, when the lamp comes, it's gonna make a really nice addition to that side. It's gonna actually balance out the bed a little bit more, because I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's gonna balance out the bed a little bit more, and I can add the nightstand right here, and you know, she can have her nightlight, she can turn it on and stuff like that. So this was a success. I was a little scared at first, but I just trust my gut, you know. I just need to declutter my bed basket. I like to have this basket. Melissa hates it, but I like to have it because it's a catch-all for everything that we may need when we're in bed. It has the remote, my phone, all our chargers, the book that I've been trying to read. I have my laptop in here, a pen, just in case we ever need a pen and we're in bed, we don't have to get out. This little stuff like that. It does need to be decluttered a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I think that's it for the day. The only other room that I have to clean is going to be my closet. Bitch, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about my closet right now. I don't want nobody coming for me. I would show you what it looks like, but I'm too embarrassed. There's no explanation. There's absolutely no explanation as to why this room looks so disgraceful. Oh my goodness, another day and I forgot to take out that carpet that I forgot to bring down. I brought them the garbage last night. Let me see if the garbage truck came. Means that I missed another day of putting out. I don't know why. I honestly, I just forgot. I didn't come in here, not much, at least yesterday, because it's such a mess. And whenever the closet is messy, I just kind of want to avoid it. I close the door and pretend that it doesn't exist. Melissa got me this storage system to help me keep my makeup and my hair stuff organized. I feel like that is the worst part, where I sit and I do my makeup. It's just so cluttered and I just don't want to have my vanity a mess anymore, so I decided I'm going to pack my makeup away in these drawers. I cannot wait for Melissa to come home and see the bedroom. I did call her on FaceTime last night because I just couldn't wait. I wanted her to see it so bad, but I want her to actually come and see and feel the space. It looks huge. Into the box, what did we get? So, of course, from Amazon, I picked up, I told Melissa that I wanted it and she got it for me. I got this storage unit, and it does come with wheels, even though I'm not sure if I would need it on wheels, but I just might, so I can tug it to me if I need anything in it. But it's white, it's plastic, it's pretty cheap on Amazon too, so I decided to get it. I actually feel like I'm going to need one more, maybe not, hopefully one can do, but I just think it would be super cute if I could put one on each side. Also, I need to mount that TV. Got a TV for the closet because I'm in here a lot and I want to be able to like put on YouTube, and I like to watch YouTube videos like when I'm getting ready or, you know, cleaning and things of that nature. So the TV's right there, just needs to be mounted on the wall. We need to go on Amazon and buy a mount as well, so I'm gonna try and get that done this week. Oh, and my bundles came in for those who care to know. Ooh, Jesus, got it. I told myself that I was gonna try and find a texture to match my hair texture, so I decided to get this. It is a little bit more, you know, coily, and I normally go for straight hair. I am gonna wear it straight, but I just figured if I get something closer to my texture and then I straighten it, it will then blend with my natural hair a little bit better. So that is the hopes. Fingers crossed that it works. I know you guys are wondering how the hell did I allow it to get this bad, but I don't know. You know, it started off with just one thing on the floor, and then you know how that snowball effect goes. But honestly, a lot of these things, I just need to find somewhere to put them. For example, like my travel gear, I need to put them back in the suitcase. So let's start off with doing that.
Would you hear me out if I told you I was terrified of days that I was gonna break? I can't find it, there's just no other way. I'll exit another day. But if they want to show me out, you won't need a pretty come a little bit out. Get two blood clot like come see me, cause you know me now I watch the TV.
Scare you. Closet is clean. Oh my god, I feel so much more creative. I want to make content now. Like, I want to do sit down videos. I want to make TikToks. I want to make reels. I want to make short form content. I just want to work. You know what I mean? Just so nicely organized in here. I can see the floors again. All the things are packed up. All my makeup is now off the vanity because the fact that it's brown is just not going with the vibe of the closet. The one that I want to go pick up from the work van is actually white, and I feel like it will suit the space a little bit more better. I might spray paint this brown vanity and still keep it in here just because, you know, more storage. And it does have a drawer in it where I can put like my palettes and stuff like that. For me to go take a shower and get ready for the day. It is now 11:12. We're actually heading out today. Melissa has some work to do. I think we're gonna pop by her office, and I need to get some pictures for Instagram. I did already get the ones from yesterday, and I went through and I kind of like lightened a couple of them that were kind of dark. So I'm gonna post, I think I'm gonna post today because I didn't post last night. I need to check in on my TikTok. I really abandoned TikTok. I just got so bored of the 31 days of Pinterest inspired outfits. Oh, I don't want to do this anymore. I'm over it. And if you know me, you know when I'm over something, I'm over it. I'm dressed and ready to go. Pretty simple, white button down, light wash jeans, and some pink kitten heels. It's actually time for us to go now, because I don't want to get yelled at and be told that I'm late, because I'm not late. I'm ready. I'm just literally just fidgeting and looking at myself, ensuring that I have everything that I want to wear, because I'm trying to also get some content today as well. This is the purse that I want to be photographed in. But I am going to take my handy dandy work bag, camera gear, extra batteries, all the things that I could possibly need, because I am taking you guys out with me today. So anyways, let's go before I get yelled at. Okay, you guys, I also just ran out to do a quick little meeting, so I'm outside waiting her in the car. It's hot as shit, but I'm trying to decide if I should go with these sunnies for the picture today. So we have these, which I actually left the house in, which are super cute. They're a vibe, it's giving. But I also have my other sunglasses. This nigga really standing outside this car taking a piss. When in the Bronx, I guess, cause bruh. And then I have these. Be a vibe. It could be like a don't talk to me, model off duty type of vibe, because if you see the outfit, you understand what I mean. Earrings are drop earrings, and they are a little bit more of a statement. We're gonna keep this going. Plus you get to see a little bit more of my pretty face.
Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Mooh la la. Yeah, yo. Bitch better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch better have my money. Please don't call me on my blood. Pay me what you want. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Bitch, give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah, blah, blah. You were 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Kamikaze, if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money.
Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. Can you believe the week disappeared on us? Like, I have no idea how. Today is Thursday already. I feel like yesterday was Monday. I don't know. I'm gonna change out of my prescriptions and put on my sunnies, which I feel like totally changes the vibe. Honestly, I wear them to edit, but I'm not gonna wear them like regularly because why it's not giving baddie. Anyways, let me show you guys what I'm wearing. I need to hurry up and buy a mirror for the closet because it's kind of hard to show you guys my outfit in this mirror, especially the fact that now I moved the bed to the middle of the room. Hopefully you guys are able to see me. I am wearing a little tank top that I picked from Amazon. These jeans are from Aeropostale. My slides, you know, my infamous chunky black slides, are from Steve Madden. And my oversized blazer is from H&M. What I'm gonna take is gonna be my top handle. I did make Melissa and I some coffee, which you have already seen. I made them in the takeaway cups. I will link those cups in my description bar. Let's quickly pack this bag. I have my, where are my prescription glasses? I think they're still in the kitchen. All right, so I'll take an extra battery with me just in case. We just left the embassy. Turns out there's a few more paperwork that we have to fill out. Not the result that we wanted today, but we still have time to figure it out because we leave in about a little less than 3 weeks. We're thinking about seeing a movie today. What do you think, baby? Yeah. We may have time? We'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not done watching, I'll leave a couple here so you can check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And until next time, love you, bye.